Happy Mother's Day by Erin. Today is Mother's Day. I made my mom a card. My mom loves the outdoors. She likes to hike and go to the beach. Today, my mom wants to go to the park. I pick flowers for her. We see an ice cream cart. My mom likes strawberry ice cream best. My dad spreads out a big blanket. We all sit down to enjoy our treats. The sky is filled with fluffy white clouds. I see a turtle float by. My mom sees a shark. We take a walk around the duck pond. My mom holds my hand so I don't fall in. I have an idea on the way home. I will make my mom a gift. I use bright beads to make a necklace. My mom loves it. She gives me a big hug. The best part of Mother's Day is spending it with Mom. The end.